everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that bell, that way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I bought the cheapest thing from Versace. Woo! It was a struggle, y'all. I was like looking on the site for a while to find the cheapest thing, and I think I finally found the cheapest thing that they sell on their site. So I love going in the store to buy things when I can on the cheapest thing series. It's just more fun. I'd like to talk about the experience and all that, but we don't have a Versace close to where I live, so yeah, I had to do this one online. So let's get started. This is what it looks like. It came obviously in a big brown box, but when I opened it up, this was inside. It looks like a shoe box, but it has like the little Versace, the Versace ribbon or elastic. It's like elastic stretchy. It's really cute. I wonder if I could, you could use it as like a hair tie, maybe a bracelet. I don't know about all that. I wouldn't use it for any of that. But, it's cute. And love the box. It's very sleek, and the Versace is kind of raised a little bit. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Can any of you guys guess what it is? The box is magnetic, and when you open it up, wow, oh, what's that? Oh, this is what it's inside. Let's see. Okay, so they like super stuffed it. So it came in this wrapping and two big inflated air papers on the bottom. So that's cool. It was just propped up like that. Very pretty, very nice Versace. Thank you. And this is the receipt. So I'm gonna open it. So the cheapest thing that I could find was $55, and they didn't charge me shipping and handling or sales tax, so it just came out to $55 even. Now to share with you guys what it is. So it's wrapped up really nicely. It has a little Versace head as the sticker. I got Versace underwear. Very cute. It's in white with a gold detail. I'm actually excited about these. Okay. So I like the packaging. It comes like in this nice little plastic packaging. And this is what the thong looks like. They also have it in like briefs. But I believe those were like $5 more, and I had to buy the cheapest thing. So I went with these in a size 1, which I believe is their smallest size. Very, very cute. Okay, be right back, you guys. I'm going to try it on just so I can tell you guys what I think and my thoughts are. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I must say I am so impressed. I actually really like them. They fit super cute, and I feel like it hugs like my waist, but just enough to where it doesn't like, you know how when stuff is kind of too tight, it makes you look like you have really big love handles when you really don't. It's just like sucking you in. Well, these don't do that, so thank you, Jesus. These fit, like I said, they're tight, but they're the right tight. Like, they don't make me look like I have love handles. And actually, I like them raised up a little bit, like the straps kind of like this. That way, it looks like, it makes my like waist look kind of small. My waist is small, but it makes it look smaller than what it really is. So that's really nice. But all in all, I really actually like these. The material is very, very soft, and I don't know, it just has like this, it doesn't feel like your typical underwear that you get from like, Victoria's Secret, which Victoria's Secret has some great underwear as well, but it just has like this feel. I suck at explaining how this feels, but it feels great, you guys. Now, I don't know if I would just be buying a whole bunch of Versace underwear now, because it is on the pricey side. I mean, $55 is a lot of money for one thong. But I won't be returning these nonetheless. I will be keeping them, especially since I tried them on. For sure gonna keep these. But yeah, I rate them I would give it a 7 out of 10, and the only reason why I'm not giving it a 10 is because of the price. The price is a bit steep for a pair of underwear, if I'm being honest. So yeah, y'all, this is what you can buy from Versace for cheap, or the cheapest thing on their site. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know what other stores you guys would like me to do down below in the comment section. I know you guys love it when I do the cheapest thing at different stores and different brands. I'm thinking about doing Louis Vuitton again, but in a different category, like maybe the cheapest SLG you can buy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Just leave me some feedback down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!